so loud, man. Oh my god. That's so loud. Right, let me try to turn this down because must have the fans kicking off. Right, let me see if the headphones make a difference. See if the headphones make a difference. Oh my god, that is crazy loud. I don't know what is wrong with my headphones recently. They do not want to connect to my laptop. Oh. Crazy loud. Right, I'm gonna have to forget them and add them again, I think. Forget. Right, that's connected now. Oh my god, the stream noise, man. What is going on? Apologies if anybody is having to listen to this disaster. Headphones, right. How's that? Is that better? Is it better? Is it better? Oh my god, the stream noise, man. What is going on? NQ looks like it's gonna rip. Oh. Oh, I think we fixed it. Oh, there we go. Okay. We are live. Live. 1 minute. 1 minute before New York Open. Do I show the goal position here? Actually, I'm in a goal position. I'm actually trying out. Somebody from the industry, let's say, has invited me to join their group. Now, I don't really believe in signals, but I said I would give this guy a try and see how he is, because I mean I have had a watch of his stuff recently, and it seems pretty good. But I haven't seen enough to make a decision on it yet, honestly. But I am in a bit of a small, very small goal position. Probably not wise at New York Open, honestly. But he sent the signal out, so I took it, and I'm gonna see what happens. NQ's going crazy, as expected, really. As expected, this is why we don't trade the first little bit of the session, because it is volatile. What do I need to do? I need to send out a little message, a little message-a-rooney. I don't need Cindy Lauper. story. Whoa. Let me copy this. Dismiss that. How do I? Oh, I'm not that good at this YouTube stuff. Oh, is gold gonna go in a ripper? Thank you, definitely is. Look at it. Damn, son. I was actually expecting a bit of a retrace from here. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm live on YouTube. Click on the link if you want to come and see me make some money. I'm live on YouTube. Actually, fuck that. I'm just gonna put a fucking picture. And I'm gonna drop the link of the link. This gold trade's actually not going too bad, as it so happens. Oh. I should probably move these stops up to break even, actually, now. Well, I say break even, that's not really. I'm moving to there. Have I even got my gold chart up? No. I'm going to bring the cash session profile up, because at the minute, this is really what I'm looking for. I think we're due a gap fill, honestly, that is what I would expect in this session. Okay, let me get back to having this open. Fuck, it's all technical difficulties on here today, isn't it? I'm just going to move my stops up here because I'm not super confident in that move, honestly. So, what's going on? What's going on is we have broken out of this little consolidation sort of area we had going on. So this area, I'm going to merge this and I'm going to merge this. And as you can see, we have been building lower value, hanging around the point of control on the composite for NQ. We've had a gap opening, pushed through all this low volume stuff. And now we're sitting, this is quite a high volume area, so we could just chop around here. What I would like to see really is probably push to there, followed by push higher, but that's a fucking 500 point move. So will we get it? Nah, who knows? I am not looking. I'm not looking to play super aggressive today, but I might. Fucking hell, NQ's going on a ripper. NQ is flying. Oh, actually, that would have been a pretty good entry if it was not 5 minutes past the opening. Let's see how it goes. There's an effort box. There is pretty good momentum here, actually. It's not really. I'm not really sure where the areas are for higher pricing, if I'm completely honest. I haven't really looked. Maybe 31k, 38.50 has potential as well. 38k, 31. Fucking hell, look at it go. Look at it go. I might actually take a stab at this if we get some sort of retracement that is logical to get in on. I'm just going to open my top step. I'm still trying to get this eval passed. There is. I need to do $1,000 on this eval. I was fucking $20 away from the profit target on Friday, I think it was. Yeah, it was Friday, and it was teasing me, and then it just kept reversing and taking me out. So I was down about $150 on Friday, and that was our first unprofitable day of the week. So we had 4 days profitable, one unprofitable day. Let's see what NQ. Let's see what NQ fancies today, eh? I feel like it's higher pricing though. Like everything looks pretty bullish. Just watching this gold position play out. I do have a gold deep chart graph. A deep chart chart. Deep chart, a deep chart. I do have a deep chart open somewhere. But if there's nobody here, then I guess. Oh shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. First little bit of the session. It is volatile. What do I need to do? I need to. Let me set up a gold. Oh, not that, not that, not that. Gold, because you are gold. Always believe in your soul. Right, let's add me back on. Whoa, way too big. Don't need that. Add audio input capture. You probably want that, otherwise you're not going to be able to hear me. Check, check. Also going to want a window capture. Gold. Gold. Gold, gold. GC. Okay. I'm gonna close down that because I'm not really trading it on here. This is on my alpha account, but I haven't actually done anything with the alpha funded since it's been passed because I have this other eval I want to get passed first, and then I'm just gonna use them all. So our target for this is I'm on a 4x chart actually, so I can't really show you. Can't really show you that one unless I add my Axie platform, my Axie terminal, but it's honestly not that interesting. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. Gold does actually look like it's moving, to be fair. Why is Candy playing out of my phone? Okay, stop, shut up. Shut up, Kanye. Right, I'm gonna turn. I can hear myself. I've got my volumes all over the place. Gold looks like it's struggling a little bit here. What's happening with NQ? Oh, I did actually get a bit of a retrace on there and I missed it. Fuck. Would I got in on that? Probably not, honestly. Probably not, although there is a mover coming down here, so... I think gold's going to go on a rip, you know? Like, I'm going to move my stops a bit higher. Could be wrong. Could be very wrong. What are we playing? I really probably want to have my stops underneath that candle there. Which one's missing a stop? This one. 4358.5. Yep, that didn't work. 4358.5. Stop loss, please. Please, kindly, sir. So that's just below this big. Okay, that's going to stop me out. It's going to stop me out, I think. Oh, well, what's going on here? Right, let's get off gold because I'm not a gold trader. It's not my breads and butters. I'm going to close down that terminal for now. Focus on my baby. Focus on NQ. We are just about to finish forming the open range. 15-minute open range. If this gets absorbed here, this might be a nice entry. Oh shit, I'm miles away. I want to see this the seller get absorbed here, and I'll look to target higher pricing. Even just a 3R would be nice on this one. Big sellers in the area though. This would just be a quick scalp if anything. But I want to wait, I want to see, there's heavy aggression from the buyers, but they're not really getting anywhere. Okay, it looks like a potential reload off the sellers level. We have a buy zone. Okay, I'm going to go 4 cons in there.
Order filled.
Stops at 388, 387. I want to see aggression from the buyers here. There is aggression, but it's not necessarily being rewarded at the moment. TP 772. In fact, we're going to go 3810. Okay, so we're getting a push through. So I am in this trade now. My entry was not really where I wanted it. 714. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus, Mary and Joseph. That's a terrible. So 820. I want my. I'm gonna bring stops to break even there. Running about $200 profit currently. So 820. I'm just targeting a 3R. Price wise, higher targets. Let me have a look. Higher targets, we have 896 is probably the next target. 896, 31k. $896. Where's that? 896, 890. Let's go 893. That'll give us more than enough. We don't even need that. We need $1,000. 851. If we get to 851, that's this account passed. That's a bit of a stretch. It's a 4.5 R. If we do get it, but we'll risk off now anyway. So let's see how we move. And I think now actually I am within the, yeah, we're actually breaking out the open range anyway. So that would actually line up nicely with my up 75 to 100 level. So I am in this trade currently. If you want to see the numbers, if it decides to load, which it doesn't look like it is. Come on, yeah. Oh, has my OBS actually crashed? Has OBS fully died? Or is it just Top Step's dead? Okay, we're getting some resistance from the sellers here. If we get more aggression, there's potential to add contracts. If not, I mean, 730 I think could be a logical level for stops. I'm gonna go 725 for now. $725 is where I'm bring my stops up to. I really don't know what's going on with OBS. It seems to have crashed for some reason. I'm not sure if it's just my... Okay, well there's the opportunity to add more contracts is gone. I mean, you could add one here, have a stops below 343, but I'm not too bothered right now about it. But I will look to bring my stops up to 340. Bring the risk off the table. Putting pennies in the pocket, so that's $200 secured. I'm gonna let price decide when to get me out of this trade, which is how I really structure my trades anyway. You know, I want to stay in a move as long as possible. I want to stay in and capture what I can of that move. If this is going to run bullish all day, I want to capture that. So I'd like to see this big seller at 753 get absorbed. I'm going to turn my camera off and back on again and see if this works. I don't know what's going on with it. It just doesn't seem to be working. Is my mic working? Oh, I'm way behind. What is going on? You can see the trade I'm in anyway. We're currently running about 2R. Okay, so my mic is working. My mic is definitely working. Okay, VWAP is at 810. What are we targeting? 850. Okay, so we need to be careful around that sort of area. We need to be aware that there is a potential level of resistance there. I wonder if I switch to... Oh, if I switch to gold, it works. If I switch back to... Right, let me just... I'm going to remove that. Actually, can I copy it? Let me copy that. Delete it. Remove. Yes. Paste. It's just broken. I don't know what's wrong with it. I wonder if I try and add a new one. Is that gold position about to get slapped out? Oh, two of the positions have been taken out already. Okay, that's fine. I really don't care about the gold stuff anyway. It's secondary to what I do, so... Okay, let me bring... My iCloud storage is full. Lovely. 742, I think, is my level. I'd love to see some more aggression from the buyers here in terms of big buys coming in. I am going to move my stops up to 360, I think. I'm going to keep them where they are. They're at 358 at the minute with $350 in profit. Might get stopped out here, but it's fine. This was a nice break, actually. Nice break out of the value zone. There you go. There's some big buyers coming in. I want to see them push through that level, and if we can push through, we're looking good. Looking good. And if not, like this here, where we're getting heavy sells coming in. I think 6.3 is probably a good area. Okay, so $380 in the green currently. High speed of tape coming in. Can't tell if it looks like a mix of buyers and sellers, honestly. Big spike from the buyers there. Onto a new candle. Continuing to push. Okay. Big buyer coming in again. Lots of sellers here though. I'm going to move my stops up. So we're around $500 in profit now. This is just to protect myself in case we fail this level, which it's possible we're going to. 776, I think. Yeah, it's a good level. 776. Okay, so we're currently up $640. But the buyers are struggling to push past their levels. We're getting lots of aggression from the sellers. If we tap this level, I think we might be out.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's order filled there. So we're out for a 2R on that one. It's a nice start to the day. Up $489. It looks like we're getting some sellers coming in to compete with the buyers. Let me just check my entries on that. 776, 776.50, and yeah, so we got a nice 2R out of that one. I'm pretty bullish on the day. I don't really want to be going short here. I feel like we could just see sellers come in and they get bought into. Let's have a look at the area here. Fuck, that was a hell of a push up on NQ there from the open. So there's good potential for a retrace, but let's keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it, see what happens. If there's another entry, we'll take it. If we see these sellers get absorbed here, that might be a... Oh, there you go. Looks like the buyers are stepping back in. So we could look for something potentially like this. Take us up here. Just be risking the profits that we've made. But it looks like we might just be failing the level, and it's this bit that puts me off going long right now. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Break below the big seller there. High sell aggression, as you can see on the speed of tape. Let's see if they hold this level. This is why you got to be patient. Got to be patient, sit and wait, not rush into it. If you'd have rushed into a long there, you'd be out now. You would be gone. Why is my camera not working? Fucking. Let me try to reconfigure it. Video capture device. Are we on? Okay. Why didn't you just do that before, you crazy fucking... Okay, seller's coming in heavy now. Seller's coming in pretty heavy. So what I might look to do is, if I'm going to play aggressively today, which I may well do, okay, well, if I was going to take it, I would have missed that. Let's see, what did we get on there? Hey, we made £6 on the gold trade. Sick, fam. Okay, so this is the level I would be looking to potentially get in a short. It's actually looking pretty good. I want to see how we react off this sell zone. Trying to lock in here, trying to be on the ball. Okay, if we retap that buy area and we fail it, I think a short is on the cards. Okay, I'm going
Order
4
filled.
contracts short there. And my stop's going to be 771. But I will look to get break even pretty quick on this. If we retest it and we fail it, I will probably take it off. Just because it's less probable. So 703, probably my target here. Okay. I'm gonna go break even there because if it comes back, it's it's much less likely. Actually, if we're breaking down here, let's see if we can get this account passed. Like the bottom of orb would be not a bad target. Okay, that's nice. That's really nice. We're at VWAP though, so I'm gonna bring stops to where that big buyer is. I'm gonna follow this pretty closely actually. $100 in profit. Let's see how it reacts at VWAP here. I want to see a flush below VWAP, or otherwise we're gonna probably just reject from this level. We're getting high speed of tape. We're getting high pushes down to the downside. It's reacting this VWAP level though. In terms of profiling, we're at high volume area, so we could just reject, but looks like it wants to go for it. $40 away from passing this challenge. If we get a nice push down, I want a nice slam down. If I hit my profit target, I'm just going to close and a little more push. Oh, I just saw it go over my target. Come on, don't do that to me. I bet it does. I bet it fucks me off. It's gonna do it, isn't it? What do you reckon? Is it gonna let me pass, or is it gonna fucking tease me again like last week? $100 off target. Just be patient. Let it do its thing. We can catch another one if needs be. I think it's gonna reverse from here, honestly. But if it does, it's fine. It's not an issue. We are prepared. We are prepared for all scenarios in this game. Tim, oh fuck! I just saw it go to my profit target again. It's really rejecting this level. One little push down. We need like $40. I'm gonna take that there because I can just see it's teasing me. I actually went into my profit target there, but I didn't see exactly where it was. So like it just tipped over. I didn't want to close it, and then let's see if we can catch another. Fuck, that's aggressive. Okay, so we're 2 for 2. 2 for 2 there. What was the exit? 719. So we've got 3R in that one. So we're up about 5R. If we get a rejection to this level here, actually, let's see how it goes. Again, I am bullish on the session, so you know if we get a retest of that area, what do I need? I need $200. Fuck me. I could target literally a 2R from here. I could just target that area. I'm just gonna go 2 cons on here because if I'm wrong, it'll teach me a lesson pretty quickly. And okay, I'm gonna add 2 contracts there. I'm gonna put my stops just under the low. I'm gonna target the high there. That's $270. I am prepared to close this off very quickly if it goes the other way, because this is always the way. As soon as I'm close to passing a challenge, it just likes to fuck with me. It wants to tease me, and it will keep me teasing at that level. Like I've literally seen my profit target twice today already. I've seen it hit the level, but I didn't want to close it prematurely and have to get like $10 in a trade. Although that probably would have just been easier to do that, to be quite honest. I'm gonna bring stops up. I'm bringing stops up to here, just below this big buyer. And so our target is 397. In fact, we don't even need that. 391, I think. Yeah, 391 would be more than enough. There's a big buyer. I'm gonna set stops to break even there. And hopefully we get a push through. If we get a push through, if we hit that level, need $100. This could take us out, but I'm overall bullish on this session, so I'm gonna let it run, gonna let it do its thing. And if it wants to tease me and take me out, then so be it, as is the way of the market. Like this here, look what it's doing. Oh shit, I nearly closed my position by accident then.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled again. Oh, this is typical of this type of day, honestly. So what were we there? We were filled at 7:30, out 7:31. Oh, what? That's bullshit. Oh, I got slipped there. Oh, mate, wasn't I? Didn't I put that into profit? Oh, look at it go as well. That's gonna go and hit my profit target now, isn't it? Oh, that's a ball ache. Yeah, I think I got slipped. Bit of slip a dippage. Okay, we're starting to get a little choppy around this area. So I'm gonna bring out my fixed range tool. I'm gonna bring this to here. There is lots of buying going on in this area. I feel like it goes higher. feel like I just got really unlucky on that one. I think if we push above this group of sellers, yeah, look, there we go. I'll just go two cons, I think, and my stop will be 730. If this seller gets destroyed. It's holding though, which isn't what I really want. As if I made $5 on that trade. That was kick in the teeth. Just gonna be patient. Gotta be patient. Patience is key in this game. Okay, so this is the sort of volume profile. We're sitting around the POC, so I really want to see a break above the POC. I think I've had a good two trades there. We're up $700 currently. So I did go lower risk on the second trade because I don't need to risk loads when I'm $200 away from my profit target. I just don't need to do it. Okay, so the buyers are taking control here. We've got getting aggressive on the sell side. This could be a momentum play. Although it's quite a big stop. It's quite a big stop for me, honestly. And it's in this area of you know, this high volume around here as well. Price hasn't really decided what it wants to do just yet. So that's probably a good break even on that one actually. Let's see how we go here. If we push past these buyers, sorry, the sellers, then I think it looks good for a run higher. I think this level at 832 is still valid as well. I think that's probably a good, or even the sort of just short of 900 level. Oh, that's a shame. My gold trade got took out and then went to profit target. So that would have been, what, 4 out of 4 on the day? Okay, so this is where the... Whoa, what's going on there? Yeah, see, we're just sitting around. Anywhere in this area, really not a good place to trade. It's is my camera working? Yeah, oh yeah, we are. We're still working. I don't know what was going on with my camera before. Oh, I just remembered I've got a bottle of Sprite here. Oh. Oh, there come the sellers. Heavy. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay, I might take a sell here. Stops are going to have to be around here though. Nah, it's, I think that's just a bit of a look through, bit of a look down. Failed auction maybe. I think I need a new mouse. I feel like my mouse is doing things that I don't want it to do, which in trading is costly. Like entering me at the positions twice. Oh, I think I've missed that one. If we get a retest of it, I might take it. Let's see how aggressive the sellers are when they come into it. I'm just going to go 2 contracts if anything, because again, I'm going to go low risk until I pass this account now. It's really not a great profile though, now that I think about it, honestly. Like, although this blue indication is 70% of the traded volume, the profile in general isn't really what I would like to see. It's pretty balanced. Oh, Jesus. Although it does look like it's going to head a little bit lower currently. I can't seem to break this. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's just Wait and see. Wait and see. Testing that area again. Break in the area. High speed of tape from buyers. Not really getting any result currently. Got a buy box come in, so that's sort of going against my idea that it's going to go a little bit lower first. But big buyers coming in aggressively. Not really getting any result. High aggression from buyers, still no result. High sells coming in. High buys coming in. This is getting a bit frisky now. If the sellers can't hold this level, we drop. Sorry, the buyers. I keep mixing up what I'm trying to say, but that's the joys of trying to trade and narrate what you're doing at the same time. Okay, buyers stepping in nicely here. Still don't really like this profile. While it's deciding what it's doing, I'm going to take a couple of screenshots of what I've done today, just so we've got some references for our journal. And then I'm just going to wait, I think. So, given I was $1,000 away, $1,000? Yeah, we've made $713 so far. In fact, let's put that in there. Let's put that in the chat. Don't know if that's interesting to people. Oh, we're looking to fail this again now. I feel like it might fail from here. I've just got a little itsy bitsy feeling that it wants a little bit lower before it wants to go higher. And the big thing for me as well is that there is a massive gap down here somewhere. And it was a big gap as well. So I think we're just maybe going to go down and recover that before we go higher. I feel like the afternoon session could be a ripper. I don't trade it personally, but if you're somebody who trades the afternoon session, I wouldn't skip it, that's for sure. Right, looks like we're going to break out of this. Okay, if we get a break and a retest here, I'm going to go a couple of cons in. I would like to see some big... I'd like to see some big contracts come in though, so I can get some positioning. Because right now it's not really giving me a great stop loss or anything like that. I want to see it trade to basically there. Yep. Is this just going to be a failed auction again? Holy guacamole. Yeah, I think it's just a failed auction to go lower there. So the sellers have struggled, which means the buyers have got an opportunity to take the lead on this one. It's very choppy here though, very choppy. We're just sitting between these two levels really. When I'm talking levels, I'm talking this one, and I'm talking somewhere like that. So they're the two sort of levels that I'm watching currently. Maybe I should put this on screen. Can I put that somewhere? Okay. Do you know what? In terms of like a little scalp, that might not actually be a bad play. If I'm going to be aggressive from there, From there to there might be a play. Like a few cons from here. If we break down though, that's just going to be a sell-off. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, that's the one thing I don't like about deep charts. There's no, what the fuck? I say the one thing. There are many, many things currently that annoy me with fucking deep charts. Yeah, look at that. So you could have been break even now. Could have been break even. Still seems heavy on the sell side though, honestly. Like I could see it. Let me actually drag this back to the low here. I could see it coming down towards 636 before a bounce. There just doesn't seem to be enough momentum to push it past the. I'm gonna keep that there. I'm looking maybe three cons on this one. If we get a break and a retest of this level, I think I'll take a short. Overall bias is long, but I am not predicting the market. I'm reacting to it. Where's my top level gone now? You see what I mean? Oh, D charts. It's great when it works. Like honestly, one of the best tools I've used. But and it's a big but. It doesn't fucking work properly. Like, oh, it's just so glitchy. Just like deleting some of your drawings and all that sort of stuff. Man's taking gold longs there. I still feel like we probably go for that 900 level overall on NQ. Should have stuck that buy on. Would have had that account pass there. But it is what it is. Is what it is. It's just value area low to high bounces, really. I don't think there's any news today. If there was, it would have been and gone by now anyway, I think. What I do like about this though is it's building a relatively nice profile. So when we do get a breakout, it's likely it will give us a nice push or a pretty heavy fall. I sort of hope it breaks out towards the top side, honestly. Like I think this area here, this, oh yeah, the orb 100 level on my, it's one of my key levels that I reach for. Same as the orb 75. Orb 75, if it hits there, there's like a 95% chance it's going to hit the, or 85% chance, sorry, it's going to hit the higher level. But not always. So depending on what you're trying to aim for, depending on what you're trying to do, depends on what you want to do with that information, really. I started taking much smaller profits, honestly, because it's just easier. Okay, we're getting some aggressive selling here. This could mean we're on for the short potentially. Okay, we are getting a push. Nope. No, we're not. It's not having it. Oh, we need to break one of these levels before I can really do anything, so I'm happy to wait. Happy to sit and wait. What day is it today? It's Monday. Bloody hell. Okay, that's quite a nice looking retest here. Okay, volume-wise, this is looking like it's going to break down. I think I'm going to enter a couple of cons here. I'm going to go 2 cons.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. I'm in 2 contracts. Stops at 724. My target is 640. Let's see how it goes. Oh shit.
Order filled.
Oh, I entered a fucking buy position by accident. Oh, bro.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going. Oh, I can't believe that. This is going to do me dirty now, isn't it? I might have to.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to add some contracts there.
Order
Oh,
filled.
fuck. Oh, that was bad. That was so unlucky. Oh, I can't believe that. Alright, there's still potential for a continuation to the downside here if these buyers get absorbed. Oh, I can't believe that. We were nearly, we were nearly on for the game on then. What do we need now? $400. Oh, I can't believe that. I pressed the wrong bloody... Pressed a buy instead of a sell. I might actually take the buy on here. We're getting aggressive on the buy side, and we've absorbed the sellers at the bottom. So this might have just been a test of the lower area. Failed. Look through. Waiting for the buyers to step in. That's so annoying. I can't believe I pressed the wrong fucking button. Oh, oh well. It is what it is. Sometimes these things happen, and you just have to bite the bullet and take the loss, as I have learned in the past. It's just part of the game. Part of the game. It's annoying because I would have been break even on that position as well, and instead I took a fucking $170 loss on it. Woo! Sick. But welcome to trading. Let's see how the buyers are coming in here. Buyers are coming in hot. Hot, hot, hot. Not getting anywhere. Still feel like it wants downside, honestly. Might try another 2 cons. Let's see if they push past this buy level. Okay, reacting from the buy zone. I am pretty locked on the charts right now, so
Order filled.
okay, I'm gonna go 2 contracts in there. Stops at 690. want to see some aggression. I want to see it push past this 760 is going to be. I need to see more past this level. If we don't push past this level, it's a failure again, I think. Okay, if we get a pull down, I'm going to add to the position. A little pullback to around 720. I'm not sure we're going to get it. So we're either going to break this top level, we'll get massively aggressive, or I'm going to go break even on this position anyway. Should have loaded up on that really. Is that? Buyers are getting really aggressive here, so we could just see a push through the value area high, which would put us back on for the 832 level, would be there. If I can get another couple of cons on this, I think it looks good. But again, we're at sort of we're at levels that we need to pay attention to, and I want to add contracts in logical places, not just randomly. So it's looking like 735 or so. Would be nice for the push. Okay, we're at the value area high. Let's see how we react from this big buy area. If we react nicely, I might add some more cons. Stops will be looking at 738. I'm gonna move that back a wee bit. Let's see how we go. Running $140 profit. Okay, so we're getting a push now. I want to see it pull back, really, because if it can pull back, I can add more. I don't want to add more while it's continuing to run. I'm gonna set 864 as my final target. 864. 864 is where I want price realistically to end up. So we're running about $200 profit at the moment, but we've just reacted from the value area, and I think we're going to send it lower, honestly. If we can hold this big buyer, that gives us a little bit more to go off, but we'll see. That is like to the tip, to the tippity tip. I think my calculator was off there. Should have been more contracts, I think. Let's see how we react from here. So this is where I'm potentially looking to add more contracts, but given we're at the value area high, I don't really want to do it here. Although we're getting a nice push. think this absorption down here could potentially be the low of this move. If it is, that would be very nice. We're now breaking out the opening range high again. So a continuation from here is logical. I'm going to set my brakes to 733. So it's $66. $66 in profit, if nothing else. Let's see how she goes. I don't think I'm going to get the return to add more contracts. If anything, I think it's probably going to stop me in profit. Yeah, I think it's just a value area high rejection, honestly.
Order filled.
There you go, order filled. Order filled. Well, we've recovered some of the cash wasted on the accidental move that I placed. Oh, oh shit. Oh my god. What is going on here? I suppose I probably should log this one as well. $7.16 to $7.33. Sellers coming in. This is just a very bouncy session, so we're bouncing off the value area high, bouncing off the value area low. Just going from one to the other. And in sessions like that, you can play it from the edges, which is what I basically did there. But I got a bit of a shitty entry. Wow. Look at the aggression here. Reacting off that same value area high level. Do you know what I haven't actually looked at in a little while? Is my 5-minute chart. Where is she? There she is. Is the 5-minute telling us anything we don't already know? Nope. 5-minute is giving us jack. Absolutely jack. Oh, this is this is the fun part of trading, is the waiting game. Trading is boring, but I would rather spend 2 hours a day watching and waiting for price than to sit at a 9 to 5 making fucking $20 an hour when I can make 1,000. I know which one I prefer. Yes, sir. Bit of sideways special for sure, brother. How's it going, man? I think you're probably the first person who's ever actually dropped a comment in here. Oh yeah, you're #1 commenter. Yeah, get up. Yeah, love a bit of the old sideways action. We've still managed to make $500 or so for the morning. What we up? 580, 587. Oh, you should have saw it before. I was past my profit target twice, and I didn't close it because it was like just hovering on it, and I didn't want to close it too early. I should have just closed it, but oh well. And then you missed me. You missed me enter a buy position when I was trying to get in a sell. Yeah, I know it's you, bro. I can see your name. I can see your name, brother. Caught that long from 680. Oh, you dirty bugger. Off the absorption. That'd be a belter of a trade. I was actually looking for shorts at that point, honestly. This is just boring. Boring price action. We're just sitting between the value area. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I mean, we're not doing too bad. We've got what? 1, 2, 3. What are we? 3 out of 4 trades with one today? Which I don't think is bad. It was 10 minutes into open. Oh, so you caught it from... Oh, from down here. Where did you get it to? Did you catch it all the way up to 790? That's sick if you managed to catch that all the way up there. Cheers, bro. Sounds like you're not doing too bad yourself. Yes, nice one. That's sick, bro. Nice work. Nice work, brother. Jesus, this is soul destroying looking at this price action. Oh god. Where's me bloody nicotine chewing gums that cost me a fucking fortune? 110 points. Fuck me, son. How much do you make? Were you on evals or fundeds? Not sure what price wants to do here realistically. I feel like it wants higher, but I also feel like there's a gap. Yeah, man, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. I've had my shit eating days, plenty of them. Plenty of them over the past 6 months or so. So I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do and I'm doing it. Locked the fuck in. Half past an eval, but doing a funded on Monday as I've only just passed it. Nice, man. Yeah, I just passed I passed that alpha one I was doing last week. Passed it quite quickly actually, because normally I fucking spend ages on them, but just started putting my balls on the table, and yeah, got that passed. I want to get this one passed. I started this one last week, so I was trying to get it passed last week, and on Friday had like fucking nonsense, where it was just teasing me like it does, and then yeah, just come into this session just looking to pass it, and $327 away from passing this one. And then once I get this passed, I've got two top step fundeds ready to go. So we've got 100k funding on top step. We have 50k funding with alpha, and then one of the big boys, we're getting the FTMO on the go. Gonna get that polished off, but that's a 10% target, and then a 5% because it's a two-step. Because I've got the old one from fucking ages ago that I've not used. And then after that, what have we got? We've got an alpha capital, and then that's only an 8%, and I think it's a one-step. So I'm gonna get the alpha capital done, and then bosh. We're gonna be on about 400k funding, and then we're gonna be going for 1 million, getting that the milli funding, and then we'll be fucking living it up. Living it up. What the fuck? There's a moth the size of a fucking albatross just flew into my window. You get some big moths out here in Thailand. Along with other things. I nearly stepped on a snake the other day. I was walking to 7-Eleven and I was just on my phone and fucking nearly stood on a snake. Only in Thailand. People think Australia's bad, but like fucking... I think I've seen more... I mean, I was only in Australia for 3 weeks, but I swear I've seen more snakes in Thailand than I had in Australia. What is this price action, man? Come on, do something. fucking albatross, mate. I'm telling you, it was massive. Oh, I was just going to say something and my brain just had a full-on brain fart. What was I going to say then? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. What other weird animals have I seen since I've been out here? Oh, there was a king scorpion at the gym the other day. We were doing Muay Thai and there's a scorpion just running around. That's quite common. I've seen a few scorpions actually. Um, I saw a mosquito yesterday the size of a fucking hamster. And I swatted it off my leg and it splattered blood all over me. So that was funny. All right, let's see. Let's lock in for a second here. We might be getting a push. What do you reckon? Is this just a bounce off the low, or is it a bounce to go higher? Wait, what? That doesn't make sense. Is it a push through the low or a bounce to get higher? Right, I'm off, bro. Just thought I'd pop in and send the blessings. Have a good session. Cheers, bro. Have a good one. Appreciate you stopping in. Take care, man. Oh, it's just another bounce. Bounce to the ounce. I feel like this is just going to be the same thing all session. Bounce from here, bounce from there, bounce from there. Eventually it has to break though. You can't do this forever. What time is it? It's bloody 10:42. 10:42 on Monday morning. Well, it's not Monday morning for me. It's bloody 9:42 in the evening for me. Which means it's bedtime. Is this just going to be an absorbed seller, push higher, go back to here? If it is, I might jump on it, actually. Let's go. 3 cons. Oh my god. Is this buyer going to get some result? If it does. Oh, there's 2 big sell zones there, though. That's the only thing. I don't like buying into a sell zone on the NQ effort. It's not always right. Oh, look at that. Look at that momentum. Might have to reduce to 2 cons here. I'm not sure that the effort chart is that reliable right now, given I believe it's built for trending sessions. So when it's choppy like this, I don't really know how much to trust it. I actually think I might jump in here. Oh, it's just not an A plus setup. That's the problem. It's not A plus. I'm trying to be more disciplined, because that's what you need to be a good trader. But at the same time, sometimes you just got to put your fucking balls on the table, son. Fucking send it. But I don't think this is that time. Yeah, and it's a good thing too. Look at the rejection. Oh. Yeah, it's not for me, this one, I don't think. Not for me. Watch it go now. Watch it go. Go like the gonads. Yeah, look at it. Should have put your balls on the table, mate. It's too late to get in now. It's too late to get in now. I said it's too late. It's too late to take the trade. If you were fucking playing this top to bottom, you could have had what, one? Nah, you'd maybe taken that off halfway. If you'd have got that, no. If you'd have got that though, that was a nice trade. That was a nice bounce. If you'd have got in off that absorption was pretty clean, to be fair. Whoa, who's messaging me? Oh, it's just Discord. Discord. Oh, somebody say something. It's fucking so boring watching this. If we keep rejecting this level though, I am pretty tempted to just play that, if I'm honest. But am I just getting into the realms of a boredom trade here? That is the question. It looks pretty good though. CVD is not really giving me much. Although it has come down to a pretty nice level. So just get 2 cons on it. Oof. Oof, look at that. Look at that. Look at it go. Alright, no, that's too far. It's too far. You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick when you look at that. Look at that. I wouldn't even call this price action. This is price inaction. Price static. We're up $600 for the day. Do we? Let me update there. For today. What are we? 587. Just too many opposing ideas is the problem. Although that would have been pretty nice. The problem with these is you don't know if it's going to just go and hover around the POC or if it's going to go all the way to the value area high, or if it's going to go like this area over here and get, I mean, it has pretty much hit the value area high of that leg there, I think. If I go like, yeah, it's pretty much there really, isn't it? Yeah, value does seem to be building lower overall. I just have a feeling it wants lower. Like there's a massive gap from a massive overnight gap from last night. And when prices like this, A, it's boring, so you end up getting in boredom trades, which is not what we want. We wanna get those A plus setups. Wanna catch those big beauties. Like we had a nice buy zone pop in there, but I was too busy chatting away. Chatting hoopy. Duo. Oh, I need to do my duo. If anyone's in Duolingo, add me. We'll have some Duolingo battles. But I am a champion at Duolingo, and I am on my 1,200 day streak, 1,100 day streak, something like that. So you better bring your A game if you wanna play with the big boys. Dropping into that level. See, these levels just aren't really being respected that frequently. This actually might be a good area for a buy if, oh fuck, I'm too slow. Yeah, fucking price is just moving too quickly at these levels for me to get in on it, really. By the time I've calculated my risk on it, what's that? It's moved, what, 20 points in 3 seconds? 30 points? Something like that. This will probably go for the high now, I think. Is this a value area high or no? This is the sitting at the VWAP range of this lovely consolidation area. Looks like it's going to go for the high though. What I'm waiting for here is a breakout. I want a breakout of value area high, which actually is seemingly decreasing. Or conversely, value area low breakout. Get some aggression from the buyers here. Buyers look like they are trying to step in pretty hard here. Is this where they take control and go for my level up here? My old orb strat. Oh, it's getting some momentum now, boys. Getting some aggression from the. Oh shit. Do you know what? If we get a retest of this, I'm gonna put my balls on the table, and we're gonna take this trade here. Oh, it's gonna fucking run without me, isn't it? What do you reckon? We're getting a retrace, or is it just gonna run without us? Stops at 725. The problem is it's at that value area high again, and I feel like it might just hit our level. But then if it's pushing back up to here, let's see what happens. I don't want to say too much. You don't want to jinx the market. Nah, the market doesn't give a fuck what you say. The market's going to do what it wants to do regardless. Doesn't care about you or your stop loss or your profit target or anything else for that matter. We could be looking at a different trade here actually. So I'd want to see something like that. So this is a bit of a cheeky entry if we can get this one. I need to get a webcam. That's what I need. I need a webcam and a microphone when we move into the new house. Let's see if we get a reaction from here. So we're going to go 4 cons. We're going to go 4 cons, or we're going to go 8 cons. I'll go 6 cons on here, I think. There's a rejection. Or the area we're tapping. Let's see. I'm gonna go 5 cons on this. If we can hold the level, if we get a little bit of a push here. When's this 1 minute candle end? 10 seconds. 10, 9, 5, 4. Or is it just going to be a rejection off that level? It's hard to say, honestly. It's hard to say. Trying not to put too much focus into the effort chart, really. Do you know what? I might just wait for a break of the larger overall profile, because just looking at this, it's not giving me everything I want. You know, we've got more data to go from here, and this is where the majority of the buys are getting wrecked. If we need to wait a little bit longer, we need to wait a little bit longer. Okay, that does look pretty good. Okay, I feel like I just need to be more patient, honestly. I really do want to get in on this position. I'm getting a lot of wiki rejection 1 minute candles, which is nice, but the volume's dying down a little bit. Okay, fuck it, I'm gonna go in.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna go break even very quickly. If we can get it. 727 is where I want. Let me see. So we're in on this position. I want to see some aggressiveness coming from the buyers. My entry was 755 for 5. Okay, I'm break even there. And my profit target, my overall target is going to be 832. In fact, I don't even need that much, I don't think. If I see this go to profit target for my account, I'm going to take it. And I am actually going to take this one now. As soon as I see that number, I'm going to take it regardless. But this looks like a good push potentially. So we're $170 away from target. So 832. 832 is my overall. I'm going to put it at 830 because I don't... Oh my god, that Sprite is stuck in my throat. Okay, we're currently up $200. I'm going to bring my stops up a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit. Bit of what you need. Just a little bit. A little bit of this. A little bit of that. I wish I could play some good music on YouTube, but YouTube's policies are not favorable. 744. 754. I've got my stops at 760. Are we gonna get a rejection here? Really? Really? Really, man? Stop teasing me and just bloody pass this account already. I'm $100 off it, man. $100 away. That's all we need. Come on. $100. Easy. Let's go. Wait, $100? That means my profit target's way higher than it needs to be. Oh, it's just gonna tap me out. It's going to retrace to this gap, I think. 756. Can we even... It's right on my break-even level. Ideally, 732 is where I would put it. If we get stopped out there, there's potential for re-entry. So... that's actually where I would probably look to add some contracts, if anything. So I'm going to be pretty... Oh my god, what's this? Is this news? 10 a.m. news? There's no news. Wait, what time is it? It's 11 a.m. Is there news at 11? What's going on? There's no news. What is this? What's going on? Alright, I'm going to bring the stops up a little bit. Not that it's going to make the world's bit of difference. I think this is going to get pushed back down because those big buys seemingly didn't touch price. There was a big influx of buyers and they just got wrecked. Yeah, is that going to stop me out? Is it? Is it? There's going to be another tease, another bloody tease. Another tease, another tease. Another tease, or is it going to be nice to me? You're going to be nice? Come on, NQ, be nice to me. You've been fucking tickling my ballsack for the past 2 or 3 days. Go on, son. Go on, son. I feel like these buyers are going to get wrecked. Building a little bit of a value area here. This looks good though. This is a good trade. This is an A+ setup, honestly. Well, we're $50 off target. Is it gonna fucking tease me? I'm gonna bring my stops down. I don't think I need it to be that high. I need $70. I need it like I think that'll do it, honestly. Right, I've brought my profit target to 813, and I think that would be enough to pass this challenge, if I'm honest. I'm going to bring my stops to 62. Doesn't really make the world's bit of difference. This is where patience will pay. Patience will pay. And I know it will, because this is what I do. This is how we do it. Just need to push past the buyers, and then we're going to have another 50k funding. Is it going to do it, or is it going to tease me? Is it going to tease me again? Come on, NQ, you little bitch. Come on, just push past them. It's just a couple of sellers just trying to tease you. We just need a little bit of aggression, a little bit of oomph, a little bit of a oomph push to the top. Oh, we've got aggressive selling coming in now. If that seller takes over, like if they start getting really aggressive, then I'm going to cut the position. "27 seconds on the 1 minute candle. Come on. Come on, give us a little push. It's all we need. We need a little push. Like somebody's standing on the edge of a cliff. You just need a little nudge. We're getting a bit of a sell. A bit of sellers coming in on the CVD. I'm going to extend this so you can see what I'm dying for, what I'm hoping for. Come on. Come on, if you get that 1 minute candle closure above, yeah, that's it. Go on.
Order filled.
And would you look at that? Would you look at that? There's another eval passed. Like a fucking boss, bitch. $948 on the day. Oh, would you look at that? It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Almost. And what better time? That's actually going to rip higher as well. If that was on a funded, ooh, wow, what a beautiful trade that would be. So what did we end the day on? I think we had 1, 2, 3. We had like 4 out of 5 profitable trades there. I think that's going to run for full TP, but I don't need it. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to calculate. We've got 2, 5, 6, 7.5 minus 1. So we're up about 6R on the day. Up about 5R. I think it's probably 5R on the day. And that's it. That's where I'm calling it a day. Another 50k funding in the bag. So if anyone's watching, you've probably tuned in at the wrong time, really, because I'm about to leave. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of making money out of thin air. Ciao, ciao for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.